If you notice, I don't have the leash in my hand. It's about repetition. It's about doing the proper amount of time and work with the dog and doing it repetitively, making sure that the dog is conditioned properly. Watch Brew. Notice the asshole that fucking walked by and had to make a comment? You see somebody has a dog, don't go up and acknowledge anything or anything to the dog. If somebody's working with the dog, leave them alone. Come on, Brewy. No, heel. Sit! Good. So I didn't have the leash in my hand. Sit. Heel. Sit. No. Heel. Sit. No. Heel. Sit. Heel. Sit. No. No. Heel. Sit.